Assalamu alaikum. If you want to make a consistent $10 to $20 every single day online, pay close attention to this video. By the end, you'll have a repeatable workflow to create professional AI videos, set up on Fiverr, and pitch your first client today. Step 1. Scripting. Use AI to generate viral scripts, but always proofread them aloud before moving to production. Step 2. Voiceover. Choose grounded, clear voice models. Avoid overly dramatic tones to keep your content professional and relatable. Step 3. Assembly. Use auto captions but keep them short. Only 2 to 3 words per line for maximum engagement. Step 4. Acquisition. List your gig for $10 and send personalized samples to brands to prove your value immediately. Ethical check. Never generate misleading news or deepfakes. Keep your income honest and your content helpful. Your action item: create one sample video today. Comment, sample done below. Jazakallah khair, see you in the next video.